Hello real traders, welcome to my channel. So here you can see this is our Telegram channel, so you can join here. We put the course discount and very good pictures. It will help you so much, and we explain everything on these pictures, so you can join and use these pics. And please share this with your friends. The link is in video description. So thank you. Let's go to the trading. Okay, here the market is going into the consolidation area. You can see here, so it is not good trade here. So let's try another chart. Okay, here the market is going down. If you draw a trend line, you can see there is a level. Okay, the market still didn't reach the level, so we can go with the buyers if the market rejects. Okay, so the buyers enter very strongly, so there is no opportunity here, you can see. So let's wait for this candle to close, and I will trade on the next candle. So here I wanted to place a higher option because you can see the market movement here. The market is going to reach this level, this trend line, you can see here. So it is going to reach the level, and if you observe here, we have a bullish momentum. There is a new high, and there is still a gap to the level. You can see this gap, so we can go with the buyers here, but it goes up. Okay, a very long candle here, it broke the level, so we can go with the sellers here. So I place here a lower option because of this long candle. You can see it is a very strong candle, a sign of reversal. You can check here some example. You can see it reversed the market. So this candle also, it is very long, and this candle broke the trend line. You can see here it is a breakout, and we have a rejection from the sellers, and I saw a level also here. Okay, let me show you here. You can see there is some reversal, so this is a level. You can see the market reversed here when it was on this area, so it is a level, and the sellers will enter from this level, and you can see it is a win. Okay, here this is a ranging market. You can see the market is moving in this range. So the market is moving in this range. It is not a trendy market, it is ranging market. Okay, so let's wait for this candle to close. You can see between these two levels the market is going, so it's a ranging market. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, there is a rejection from the sellers. Okay, very strong rejection. Okay, so I think we can go with the sellers here. Okay, very good entry point. I place here a lower option because of this strong rejection here. You can see this strong rejection from the sellers, and the previous candle have a strong sellers pressure, and it is a sellers area. You can see these strong buyers, but the market reversed very strongly. So here also I think the sellers will enter again, and my entry point is very good, so I think I will win. Okay, you can see very strong sellers here. They enter very strongly because of the strong level and a strong rejection. Okay, so there is a extreme level, a strong level. Okay, so we can go with the buyers here. Okay, so I place a higher option because of this extreme level here. You can see a reversal here, and it is a extreme level. Why we say it is a extreme level? Because you can see the market hit this level once and it never came back to this level. So every trader in the world can see the level. It is visible for everyone, and everyone now it is a potential of support level. And you can see the sellers are losing their power here. We are seeing also some rejection from the buyers. That's why I place here a higher option. So these extreme levels will work good. Okay, and you can see it is also a win. Okay, there is a level here. Let me draw it. Okay, so if we see the market movement here, you can see it is moving like this, but here it didn't make a higher high, it made a lower high here. You can see it is a lower high. So I think the market is changing to downtrend from this level, so it may go down at any time. So let's see how this candle will behave here. And I didn't place my trade because of this level, so let's see how this candle will behave. I will wait here. Okay, but it's close at the level. You can see it work as a support level, but let me check for a resistance if this level working or not. Okay, here also it worked. Okay, and here also you can see a seller's entry. So the level is working. Okay, so you can see the market is turning to the downtrend, so it may go down at any time. So we will wait. If this candle closes as a strong candle, and with this strong rejection, if this candle closes as a strong candle, we can go with the sellers and consider this as a downtrend. Okay, you can see a strong sellers here. Okay, rejection. Okay, so this is a very strong rejection, and this is a weak candle, and we have momentum. Okay, the buyers are interested. So okay, a little late, but no problem. So here you can see it was a strong candle, so it reversed, but here it is not a strong candle. We have a bullish momentum, and the buyers hit this level. There is a strong rejection from the buyers, so I saw also a quick buyers here, so it will go up from this level at least to this level, but a little bit late. Okay, let's see what will happen here. So the seller's candle is weak. Okay, again a rejection. Okay, and this is also a winning trade here. Okay, so this was my first trade. I placed here a lower option because of this long candle, and it broke this trend line. And if you see here, there is a rejection from the sellers, so that's why I place a lower option, and it goes down. It is my second trade. I place a lower option because of this level. You can see here the seller's entry, and if you draw a whole area, this area is a resistance level, and you can see there is a strong rejection from the sellers, and the previous sellers are strong, so I go with the sellers. Here I place a higher option because of this extreme level. Every trader can see this level, so it will work well, and I place here a higher option. And here, because of this strong rejection from the buyers and this bullish momentum, I place a higher option, and you can see it is also a winning trade. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please join in my channel. Thank you. Good day.